In this tutorial, we will be creating a dynamic displacement effect that can be applied to any kind of geometry. First of all, we need to create the desired object and increase its number of segments. Make it editable in order to apply a weighting to its vertices by utilizing tension tag. Click the Fix Tension button to record the polygon's current state as the relaxed state and create a stretch map. Create a displacer deformer and shade it with a white color. Increase its height value and create a duplicate. The first deformer will be used to trigger the displacement effect by utilizing the desired fall-off shape, and its influence will be restricted to the second deformer by applying restriction tag and using the previously created stretch map as its source tag. Colors generated by tension tag can be exposed in a material by utilizing the vertex map shader. You can apply colorizer shader on top of the existing vertex map in order to define the desired gradient. You'll see how this deformer affects your geometry only during the animation. Select the tension tag and increase its amount value to define how much a polygon must be deformed in order for its points to be assigned a weighting. Currently, this effect results in chaotic movements. This problem can be easily fixed by applying the smoothing deformer. As you can see, it completely attenuates the displacement effect. Increase the stiffness value and gradually decreasing it until you'll get the desired motion. You can create yet another duplicate of this deformer, which will completely attenuate the displacer effect based on the desired fall-off shape. The overall speed of displacer effect can be altered by utilizing delay effector. Set its deformation type to points in order to apply its influence to your geometry. The overall speed of this motion can be altered by decreasing an amount value of the tension tag. You can add more irregularities to this effect by loading the noise shader and change its settings to your liking. It is possible to transfer colors of this geometry onto another one in order to apply the desired effects without affecting its tension tag. Create an object with the similar settings and copy this vertex map tag onto it. Hide the base geometry and make visible all its children. Create a duplicate of this tension tag on the same object and place the copied vertex map tag into its stretch map field. It is worth mentioning that you can use this vertex maps to control the shading of a displacer deformer by utilizing vertex map shader. This allows driving all its settings without affecting the tension tag.